For years, I had the same packing routine. Pull my suitcase from under my bed, toss it on my bed, and fill it with clothes. Once I checked into my hotel or Airbnb, I'd throw my luggage onto the bed again and pull out the things I needed before chucking it all onto the floor. But when I read that tidying expert Marie Kondo wipes the wheels of her suitcase after each trip, my mind spun. I immediately thought of all the places my suitcase had been. Its wheels have touched New York City sidewalks, sticky floors in bars in New Orleans, the London Tube, and countless airport bathroom stalls. It wasn't like I was going out of my way to roll through mud and toxic sludge. But when I finally cleaned my suitcase with Clorox wipes, I was appalled. It took about 2 or 3 wipes to get all the dirt, gunk, and unseen germs off of each wheel. This is why you should always use the luggage rack in your hotel room. It's the best way to keep your germy bag away from the place you're sleeping. For packing at home, you can buy a luggage rack on Amazon for $100 or less. Go ahead and get one for your guest room. It's easier than getting into an argument with your mother-in-law about why you don't want her suitcase on your white comforter.